Hey guys, this is Midway Matt, and today we're looking at a 2025 Keystone Bullet. It's a little windy outside, so let's go inside and take a look. This camper is perfect for retired couples, younger couples. If you're looking for more space, and you got couches, recliners in here, but it's a rear living setup. So you got your living area back here, super nice recliners, or couch and recliner. Lots of storage in here. You got your kitchen space right here. And over here, you got your pantry with adjustable shelves, which is nice. You got lots of storage in there, and you can adjust all those shelves to your liking. And since I didn't go over the outside, this thing does have some cool features. It has a 220 watt solar panel already installed, so it's already trickle charging to the battery. If it's sunny out, you got power. And you also got two awnings on here, so you got a slide awning and then a regular awning on the left side. So have more shade. If you got a bigger family that likes to hang out, you can all hang out underneath those awnings and be away from the sun. Really sweet layout on it. Lots of storage in here. I'll take you to the bathroom. Good bathroom size. Comes with an on-demand hot water heater. You can check that out. Nice big shower for you taller guys. And here's your control panel right here. It's your main switch. It also has light dimmers too. It's pretty nice. And in here you got a queen size bed, overhead storage. You also got a nice little closet back here that you can actually hang stuff up in. It's not no tiny closet you can't put much in, but it's not a closet that other campers give you, is what I'm saying. You got a lot more storage where you can hang stuff up in. But yeah, that's our 2025 Keystone Bullet. Really sweet layout. And like I said, if you're a retired couple or a younger couple that wants to travel and spend time in the backcountry, staying in for a week or however long, this is the camper to be in, especially with all this storage. So come check it out. Matt over at Midway. My cell number is 702-816-6094.